So it's Rich David. So this is a video to show you how to provide liquidity on the Julswap platform and earn their token, that Julswap token, and also a way for you to see qualify for the airdrop, like the CHUM airdrop that will be given to Jul holders or stakers. So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should not take this as a financial advice. This is also to show you ways what I do and ways I used to earn money in cryptocurrency. So it's just for fun. So I'm not telling you to do anything, to take any action. I'm just showing you for fun and for educational purposes. So please do not take this as a financial advice, and always do your research. It should not be taken as a financial advice or a guide. It should be taken as a educational purposes and just for fun. So thank you. Let's get started. So what we do, tap on the apps. I already have the link. So the link will be on the description down below, just for you to make your own research. So I'll paste it here. Go to the site. I need to change it because right now we are on Ethereum chain. So I need to change it. I'll just tap on the Ethereum logo. Tap on the Ethereum logo, change it to Smart Chain. Then I need to provide liquidity. So I'll tap on pool. Tap on add liquidity. Then select the token. This is it. I want to use all my TFF token. Then approve. So I'm waiting for the transaction to be confirmed before I supply. So now I have to supply. I'll tap on supply. So I'll be giving 1.95 BNB/TFF put token. So this put token is important. You need it to stake. So I'll wait for the transaction to confirm. So the transaction will be confirmed. You can see I'll be giving. So now I'll tap on staking. So I can just search TFF. That is the pair that I want to stake. But just because of this video, I need to show you so that in case if you have other token you are holding, you can just come here to provide liquidity. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. Do not take it as a financial advice. So now you can provide JUB/BUSD. The BUSD is a stable coin. It's Binance token stable coin. So BNB, we have many to stake. So if you have Jul, you can stake Jul. You can stake Jul. If you have Jul, you can stake Jul with BNB to earn 179% APY. So there are so many inactive. All this one are the one that is no more active. Like it has been stopped. It's no more active. So right now you can also stake just normal Jul. If you just take normal Jul to earn 20% APY. So right now TFF, I want to provide liquidity, so I have to approve. So I will approve it. So I'll tap on stake, tap on max. wait for the transaction to be approved. So it has been approved. Right now I have provided liquidity, and I'll be earning, you can see already it's counting, and I'll be earning Ju token, like, so I'll be earning Ju token. So also I will send sort of my Ju token here.
Due to be an airdrop for Ju and Ju holders. So when you stake Ju token, when you stake Ju token on the Julswap, then you'll be qualified for the airdrop. Or if you just buy an old Ju on your wallet, you'll be qualified for the airdrop. So you'll be qualified for the CHUM airdrop.
That airdrop for those that has used Julswap and Pancakeswap. So if you don't know how to use Pancakeswap, or if you have not used Pancakeswap before, there's a video on this channel. Just look for it. You see how to use Pancakeswap. So this is the information, but they have a condition, and let me just read it. It says if you ever trade using Julswap and Pancakeswap before March 1st 2021 to March 22nd 2021 and reach a transaction value of 5 BNB, then you are eligible to receive a free distribution 100 OCF. So if you have used Julswap and Pancakeswap in this date, and you have reached a value of 5 BNB, then you qualify for this airdrop. So I have some Ju token here. So we'll go back to the Julswap, because if you hold, you can also receive the airdrop of the CHUM token. You can also stake. You can also stake too. You can also stake. So we are going to stake Ju. So we're going to stake. So if you are holding it for the airdrop, I just also come and stake. Also come and stake. So let's come and stick. So okay, if I stick Jude, our TFT token. If I stick Jude, I'll enter the TFF token. If I stick Jude, I'll end Jude token. So I will just stick to end the TFF token. So approve. I am already earning Jude on another of my wallet, so that's why I'm not staking again to earn Jude here. So right now I'll stake this one I have here to earn TFF. So let's wait for it to be approved. So this is it, already any TFF. Now let's go to my staking so that we can see what I'm staking. So we have 2 here. So already earning a Jude token already, it's counting, and I'm earning this TFF token already, so it's counting. So please do not take this as a financial advice. So when you stake Jude or hold it on your wallet, you receive you are going to get the airdrop of CHUM. So this is it, and this is not financial advice. So please subscribe to get more info on how to earn money on cryptocurrency, So subscribe, also on a notification so when I upload the video, so that you are not going to miss any update. This should not be taken as a financial advice, just for educational purposes and for fun. Thank you for watching. Wish David love you.